Hello everyone, this is the new Mercedes ABCD class for kids, and this is a very good car. You can see the color is very nice, black and white, and Mercedes logo. Hello, yes, so this is the LED lights, and these are your wing mirrors, and as you can see, the full view, side view. These are the tires. Full view, side view. These are the controls. These controls, this is a start button, this is the motion, this is the swing will be like rock and roll, motion will be forward and aft. This is the forward and aft button, forward and backward. This is the accelerator, this is the steering wheel, these are the dials, these are the extra controls, audio player, which says you can put the USB, you can put music loud, it shows the battery status, low, high, you can play and you can horn. These controls are also in this steering wheel. These are the lights, these are the back, this is like a space, you can keep anything. These are the tires, this is the side view, and this is the remote. The remote is very good. By this remote you can control forward movement, back movement, left tires, right tires, all the controls is there, on, off, match code, downshift, upshift, brake. This remote has brake also, and while there is no brake here in the car, the brake is automatically adjusted by this accelerator. If you take your foot off from this accelerator, it works as a brake, and if you press this accelerator, it works as a motion. Either it can be forward or it can be in the back. Now I will start this car from this button. Music you can put.
Bluetooth mode. Music.
This you can put it off. This is on. Same is with this. This is on, and this is the lights all glowing tires. So it's a big car, not a small one. It is a big and a good weighted car. It's a heavy, not light also. This is, you can go forward by pressing this accelerator, it goes forward. Pickup is very good. By this button it can go backward. Pickup is very good. And rock and roll. rock and roll. This remote, press on, and you can control with the remote. Yeah. Left, right, है ना? Good one. Automatic light. These type of cars should come in the market. What do you say? So enjoy. This is the charger for the electric car, kids electric car. This is the charger, as you can see, and this is the charger lead, and you can see this is the charger lead. This charger pin goes in here. This is a socket, and then it charges. This car charges. There is a display. Due to the light you cannot see the display, but this display shows that this car is charging. So this is the charging point for this car. Okay, thank you. Yes, one more thing, last but not the least, this car has a very good pickup, and it has high acceleration. So this car should, I think, in my opinion, it should be for the kids age group of 4 plus, and till they have good weight. They should not sit on this car. They have plus 25 weight, and this car is good for plus 4 kids. Okay, thank you very much. Stay tuned for more good videos. Adios, hasta la vista, baby. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. If you're new, please subscribe, and you can press the bell icon for more good videos and notification. Thanks a lot. See you.